Hi guys, so the new Neet PG test center rules are out. Basic information क्या है? Old center choice filling is null and void. It won't apply. Whatever you do, you have to do a fresh choice filling. If you don't do, they will allot a random center. Yes, this is written. They will allot a random center. Now, what is the choice filling center available on? It is available on the correspondence address you have filled at the time of choice filling. So if suppose for example you were studying in Delhi but you belong to Bihar or Rajasthan, you will only see choices of the Delhi centers, of the state centers. If you are studying in Kota, you will only, and you have filled the correspondence address of Kota and you belong to Delhi, you will only see Rajasthan ke centers. Rajasthan mein, for example, there are 4 centers, you will only see those 4 centers. Second thing is 4 options you have to fill for the center and they are not in sequence. Mind you, they are not in sequence. That means first, second, third are not in priority. You will be allotted any one of those 4 centers. You will not be allotted your first or second choice. You might be allotted randomly based on those 4 choices that you have filled. If at the time of choice filling all the centers in your states are full, you will be given options of a nearby state. So if your state has only 2 centers, if it's a small state, example Goa, and it has only 2 centers, you will get options of surrounding states and you have to fill 4 choices, right? The center allotment will be random amongst those 4 centers. 29 July is the date when the city of the center will be announced. You will be provided किस city में आपका exam है, which city you are going to take the exam in. On 8th August you will get the final center. So 29th of July to 10th of this August you have time to plan your schedule of going to the center and you can make that option available कि कैसे जाना है, make your travel plans. So the centers are decreased from a given number of 259 earlier to 185 now, but keep in mind we have 2 shifts, so there will be about 370 centers if I am not wrong, given 185 into 2. So high probability that you will be getting a center in your choice of state, but there is a catch. You might not be allotted at all in the same state or maybe allotted in a different state. But try to fill the form as soon as possible. They will open the form now. That's what they have declared, and it will be open till 22nd of July. So you have 3-4 days from now. Just fill it as soon as possible so that you are allotted the center in the same options you have given. If not, if all the 4 options are done, you will be allotted a random center. That's what they have done in accordance to the incident that has come to light in view of Neet UG is concerned. So these are the security measures that they have taken. Let's see how beneficial they are, but I urge you to fill the choice filling as soon as possible so that you are allotted a center of your choice. All the very best. If you have any more doubts, kindly join the WhatsApp group, DM me regarding your doubts, and you can also solve the custom modules that are there on the WhatsApp group. That's all guys from today. Thank you.